Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. I have something for you.
For me?
Yes. Open it slowly.
I'm nervous.
Don't worry. Trust me.
Okay. This is beautiful. Thank you, Sarah.
I'm glad you like it. Promise me we'll always support each other.
I promise.
Then today will always be special.
Let's make great memories.
I know we will. Thank you for your promise.
I will always keep it.
Let's go to class together.
Sure.
David, excuse me. This belongs to you.